Isang malungkot na balita para sa mga katulad kong Kathniel fans. Kinumpirma mismo ng kapamilya actress na si Catherine Bernardo na hiwalay na sila ng kanyang long-time boyfriend at on-screen partner na si Daniel Padilla. Sa kanyang Instagram post niya yung araw, November 30, binasag na ng dalaga ang kanyang katahimikan hingil sa isyong ilang linggo na ring pinag-uusapan ng madlang netizens. Chapter closed. I hope this finally helps all of us to move forward. Pagkumpirma ni Catherine ukol sa kanilang breakup. Saad ni Catherine, I've been in showbiz for almost 21 years now. 12 years as the one half of Kathniel and 11 years as someone who loved DJ Daniel Padilla even behind the camera. I didn't grow up in this industry, constantly being controlled and dictated on. I was lucky to have the best guidance and support system when I started my career, and I've continuously worked hard to earn people's trust. At simulang araw, nang tumungtong siya sa tamang edad, ay siya na ang nagdedesisyon para sa sarili, mula sa pananamit, sa klase ng proyektong kanyang gustong gawin, mga taong nais niyang maging parte ng kanyang buhay, pati na rin ang taong kanyang mamahalin. Pagpapatuloy ni Catherine, I was encouraged to think for myself and decide for myself, even when it comes to love, especially when it comes to love. I promise to never lose myself in this industry, so I've been always as authentic to you as I can be. Pag-amin din ni Catherine, aware siya sa mga chikang kumakalat tungkol sa kanilang nagtapos na relasyon ni Daniel, kaya naman pinipili niyang magsalita na upang sa kanya mismo manggaling ang kumpirmasyong wala na talaga sila. I know what many of you are thinking right now. I'm well aware of the rumors and speculations going around, and as hard as it is to put everything into words, I want you to hear it straight from me. It's true that DJ and I have decided to part ways. Catherine's genuine love for Daniel Padilla, what DJ and I had was real. It was never for show. We were together not because of the cameras, not because of the fans, not because of the money what comes with a successful love team. We were genuinely in love. We grew up together, dreamed together, and so many of those dreams because our reality still together. Paglalahad ni Catherine. Aniya, halos kalahati ng buhay niya ang kasama niya, si Daniel, at sa kabila ng nangyari ay wala siyang pinagsisihan. That's almost half of my life that I would never regret and would never trade for anything in the world. Those are 11 years that brought me joy, adventure, and the feelings of being home, sabi ni Catherine. Dagdag pa niya, years that taught me the real meaning of unconditional love and friendship. He knew me more than anything else. He was my first boyfriend. He was my comfort zone. He was my first son. I will always have love for him. At gaya ng ibang relasyon, dumaan rin ang kanila sa pagsubok, ngunit ipinaglaban pa rin nila ito. Subalit, kahit na sinubukan nilang ilaban pa, may mga bagay na hindi na maibabalik pa sa nakasanayan. Like any other relationship, we tried our best to make it work. We've been drifting apart for a while now, and we ultimately have to accept that we can't go back to where we used to be. It just won't be fair to pretend that everything is still the same, amin pa ni Catherine. Aminado rin ito na mahirap para sa kanya ang mga nagdaang buwan at labis siyang nagpapasalamat sa mga taong inunawa ang kanilang pinagdaraanan. These past few months have been tough, but thank you for giving us the time we need to process the pain and finally face the elephant in the room. Our love story began with respect and ended with respect. Paglilinaw ni Catherine Bernardo. Alam ng kapamilya actress na bukod sa kanya, labis rin na nasasaktan ang Kathniel, ngunit hiling niya na sana'y huwag magkaroon ng kampihan at awayan dahil maayos silang naghiwalay. Kat's message to Kathniels, Kathniels, we know you are hurting, and trust me, this also hurts us both more than you can imagine. The last thing we want is for this family to break apart, with everyone taking sides. Please don't. DJ and I will continue to support each other as we try to heal and move forward from this. We will continue to love you and make you proud, but we hope you understand that this is something we really need. We hope that you can join us in this healing process and not let those precious memories go to waste. Kaya natin to. pakiusap ni Catherine. Samantala, nagbigay naman siya ng mensahe sa kanyang ex-boyfriend na mahigit ng isang dekada. DJ, you give me 11 beautiful years and the kind of love that I will forever cherish. I will always be grateful for you, sabi ni Catherine. Sa kabila ng kanyang kumpirmasyon ay hindi sinabi ng kapamilya A-lister na hindi siya tatanggap at sasagot ng kahit anumang tanong hinggil sa detalye ng kanilang paghihiwalay. I won't be entertaining questions regarding to this anymore. Thank you for understanding.